In today's video, let me show you how to use Rufus to find compatible accessories for your tech. Now this was the AI assistant inside of Amazon, which now has been completely replaced by Alexa. So you no longer will be able to view the AI assistant of Rufus. Instead, you'll be able to access the Alexa assistant inside of each product page. So once you're inside of the product's homepage or the product's profile that you're trying to find the accessory of, you need to scroll down a bit until you see a section called looking for something specific. Now this is the exact chatbot, which is the Alexa chatbot that you can ask any questions, so you can find any sort of answers to the queries that you have. In order to find the compatible accessory for this exact product, you can ask in any sort of questions that will help to find the accessories that is related for this particular product. Now this will depend upon what type of accessories that you want, so you'll need to type in a question of your own, and then you can tap on the send button so that Alexa can summarize all of the compatible devices for this particular product. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.